So I'll be showing you how to open the home folder on your MacBook. Now I'm using a MacBook Air running macOS Ventura, but you can use these same instructions for other Mac computers. So what you need to do is click on Finder. That should open the Finder app, and with Finder open, you can go to the menu in the upper left side and click on Go, and then select Home, and that opens the home folder on your Mac. So you can see other folders in there. You can see the downloads folder, movies, music, pictures, public folder, all this stuff. That is basically how to open the home folder on your Mac. Now, if you want to be opening this folder without necessarily going through that whole process, you can simply add the home folder to Finder. And to do that, simply again launch Finder, and with Finder open, you can go to the top left corner and click on Finder, and then click on Settings. On the settings window, make sure sidebar is selected. Okay, this one right here, make sure that's selected. And then from the list below, under favorites, look for this folder. Of course, it's called Chris because that's my admin username. And you can see the home icon there. So just click on that and then close. Now you should see the home folder inside Finder. So from now on, anytime you launch Finder, you can just come here to the sidebar on the left hand side and click on your home folder. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.